Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys the exact steps you need to use AI to help you mix your vocals, right? You can't just slap it up there and think it's a band-aid and it's going to fix everything. No, you still got to do some work. This just makes it a lot easier to get your vocals mixed, all right? So you don't have to worry about it. AI is not coming for your job or nothing. You can still mix great songs, all right? So I won't overtalk it. If you need a template for recording in Logic or recording in Pro Tools, check out my free templates down below. I'm going to change the game for you and get you sounding really great really quickly, all right? Let's hear back the track and we'll dive right into it.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with. Been moving with.
All right, bet. As you can hear, the song already sounds pretty good. The balance is there. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these effects. I still have the parallel compression up here and just some reverb and stuff. I'm gonna take all that off. We'll listen to it again dry, and then we'll start to dig into the mix.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls.
Cool. So as you can hear, everything sounds pretty good. It sounds, it sounds decent. I think we can get better though. So the first thing we need to do before we even drop the plugin up there, let's go to our mixer and make sure that our vocals and our beat are in balance. All right. So that's the number one thing that we have to do, because we don't want to have the AI work on false information. Basically, if the vocal is way above the beat, it's not gonna give us the balance that we're looking for. We're gonna think like, oh, this doesn't work, like the AI did a bad job, when really there just wasn't the right balance there. Vice versa, if the vocal is too low, it's not going to magically boost it up and make it sit inside the mix. Like, you still have to get that balance there. So let's dial in the balance. For me, I think that the vocal is a little too loud. We're going to see where both of them are peaking. Then we're just looking at the music bus and the all vocals bus.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you.
Okay, cool. So we can hear, we can physically see. If we look, we can see that the vocal bus is peaking higher than the music bus, and generally that means that our vocal is too loud. But if you listen specifically to the clap in a lot of rap songs, if the vocal is just smothering the clap, you know the vocal is just too loud. If you hear the clap kind of in the background, or the snare, if you hear the clap or the snare in the background instead of like present and in front of everything, your vocals are probably too loud. That's another good way to kind of tell. So instead of turning the vocals down, we have plenty of headroom on the master. I'm going to come over here and take some trim away from the beat. So we've turned it down 9 dB. I'm going to come back up maybe 2 or 3 dB. Let's go to 7 and see what we got.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo.
Cool, perfect. I like that. We got a good balance. We still have headroom, so if we want to add anything to the master and really, fatten up everything, we can. I like where we are. Let's jump back over to our master fader and look, because that's tip number 2. You see, we're nowhere near clipping. We don't have any red. We don't have any issues. If you're having the AI mix your vocal into a song that's clipping, you're never going to get that clean mix that you're looking for. All right, so you got to go ahead and make sure nothing's clipping. Make sure that your balance is good. All right, so first thing is balance. Second thing, make sure we don't have anything clipping. So let's look at our faders again.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino.
Perfect. So that already sounds pretty good, and we haven't even added any effects or anything to the vocal. So let's go ahead and actually load up the plugin now. We're just going to go with Nectar. We got those 2 things out of the way. Now, the third thing that you want to do before you dive into this, let AI do your mixings, you want to pick a section of the song for it to listen to that's dynamic. Like, you don't want to pick a section of the song where it's super low, he's not rapping with much energy or anything like that. You want to give it the most dynamic part of the song to kind of dig through and assess so that it can apply the effects. So I think we've got a pretty good section of the song selected. We got the beat booming, but we also get a little bit of the turned down kind of lower parts of the song as well. So I think it gives it a good feeling of what the song overall feels like. So we'll just go to vocal assistant and we're going to choose assist, and then we'll hit next. I think the vibe is pretty modern, and then the intensity, I think it's right in the middle. He's not going too hard, it's not too mellow, so we'll leave that at moderate as well, and we'll hit next. And then it's just waiting for us to hit play, so let's play back the song.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit, been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit, been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you.
Cool. So as you can hear, it did a pretty good job of mixing the vocal. Like, it's sitting in there, it's controlled well. There's still some things that we need to tweak, and I'm going to show you what those things are. Usually it's 3 things. So the first thing is to go to the EQ, and you'll see that the AI will not do any high pass filtering, and we need that to make sure that our overall mix stays clean, it doesn't get muddy, and we don't get any buildup in the low end frequencies. You have to think, if we've got like 8 or 10 vocal tracks, they've all got this low end energy that we can't really hear, but it's still taking up space in our mix. It's going to kill our mix. So we want to make sure that we go ahead and add a high pass filter. And we'll go back more, maybe 80 to 90 hertz. We'll use our ears and listen.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit, been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s.
Okay, so this time they actually did roll off the low end here in the upper frequencies. What I don't like though is that it's moving. So they have within the AI, they have an EQ curve that will kind of follow whatever frequency is there, and it's not really my favorite for rolling off the low end. I like the low end to be rolled off a little more consistently. So you can leave this or take it. I'm going to get rid of it, and let's listen again.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than.
Yeah, you can hear the vocal just gets more lively, more full, heavier, and that's what we want. We don't want them to sound small or thin on the track. So first thing we want to do is make sure that we add that high pass filter. The second thing we want to do is come and check the compression, because generally this AI tool compresses a little bit more than I would like, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to get some of that back is just to play with the mix knob.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit, been moving with them dirty pistols since 22.
Cool, and as you can see, just a super subtle change. We just mixed in some of the raw signal and just slightly changed the threshold, and it just made the vocal come alive a little bit better. Another thing is I think the release is a little too slow. So let's make the release a little bit faster, just so that the compression keeps the vocal a little more aggressive, a little more engaging, a little bit more exciting.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone.
Cool. I like it. So the third thing that you need to do when it comes to using AI is you're going to have to go ahead and rebalance the vocal and beat after it's done what it's done. So we're going to go back to the mixer, look at the music bus, look at the vocals bus, and see where everything is.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit, been moving with them dirty.
So just a quick subtle change. And the fourth little bonus tip, bring back your parallel compression, man. Parallel compression is your friend specifically for rap vocals. It keeps everything present. It keeps things up front. So I want to make sure that we still keep that same sound. So let's go ahead and do that. We actually probably should have done this before we rebalance the vocals, but it should be fine. Let's hear it.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22.
Let's hear it without it.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you.
See, now we need to bring the volume down of the vocals just a little bit more. But maybe half dB or so and we should be good. But really, man, that's all you need. You use AI, you follow these 4 steps, you make sure your vocals and your beat are in balance. You don't, you make sure that nothing is clipping. You, after you run the AI tool, you make sure that you high pass filter, and then you just want to play with that compression, mix it in a little bit, and then rebalance everything. You're good, man. You got a vocal mix that can run with the best of them. These are the tips that I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little more help, drop me a line down below. My name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Been moving with them dirty pistols since 22. Nothing less than 40s, can't do shit with 22s. Lot of wild shit, gang members out that zoo. She crazy thick, I can see all that ass in front of you. Nipsey Blue C notes, rooms MGM Casino. Whole 7 in a raw cone, you know it came with pre-rolls. High as shit.